When connecting using a personal hotspot, please note that when using an iPhone, it is set to 5 GHz connection by default. To change this to a 2.4 GHz connection, first go to your iPhone settings and turn on your mobile data. Click on Personal Hotspot, then turn on Maximize Compatibility. Then, go to the Matoha app and connect to your instrument. Go to Wi-Fi settings, enter the name of your hotspot and password in the Matoha app. After pressing the Save button, restart the device using the red Restart button. Your device should now be connected.